Hello, my name is Beth, and I'm here with my friend Allie from Carnegie Science Center Science on the Road team. Science on the Road delivers a wide array of exciting science assemblies, both in person and online, with our new virtual offerings. In honor of spooky season, we've teamed up with our friends at Shop and Save to show you two of our favorite Halloween-themed experiments. To start our spooky science, I'd like to share some boo bubbles with you. Most bubbles are filled with air. Today, I would like to fill some bubbles with the gas that we breathe out, carbon dioxide gas. And that's why I like to put inside our bubbles today. Carbon dioxide is normally a gas. I brought some carbon dioxide with me, but it's so cold that it's 109 degrees below zero on the Fahrenheit scale. It's so cold that it becomes a solid. Let me show you some right now. It's so cold that to work with the dry ice, I have to use special safety equipment. Scientists always want to be safe, so I have my face shield and some special gloves to protect my hands. I have some dry ice pellets. They're a solid, and what they're doing now, because the air is warmer, is they're sublimating. They're changing from a solid into a gas, and they're making carbon dioxide gas. You may see a little bit of mist. That mist is the cold ice condensing the water vapor in the air around it to make fog, just as you have with your breath on a frosty fall morning. Now, I have a machine, my Boo Bubble machine, that will change this solid dry ice back into carbon dioxide gas. Let me add a little warm water to make it sublimate a little faster. And then I'm going to add some dry ice. You'll see some mist. I have some soap to make a bubble. I'll dip my wand in the soap. And if I put the lid on, that will capture the carbon dioxide gas. And we'll create a bubble. When it breaks, it will release the mist. Let's try that again. Spooky.
Hi everyone, I'm Allie with Carnegie Science Center, and I'm here to demonstrate our spooky balloon demonstration. For this demonstration, we are going to be using liquid nitrogen. Now, liquid nitrogen is very, very cold. It is at negative 321 degrees below zero, and that's on the Fahrenheit scale as well. So, what we're going to do to demonstrate that is to take my spooky little ghost balloon here and submerge it in our liquid nitrogen. Think to yourself as to what might happen to our balloon when it gets pushed into that liquid nitrogen. Let's pour it out into our bowl to show you what it looks like. You can see a lot of fog rising off our liquid nitrogen, and that is from the water molecules in the air that are cooling down and creating this fog or mist as it pours out of my bowl. Now, we're going to put our spooky little ghost into our nitrogen. Let's see what happens. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Now, oftentimes people think that this balloon might pop, but something is changing about it. It's getting smaller. It's getting kind of crunchy. And that is because the air inside of it is condensing into a liquid. And once we have most of that air condensed into a liquid, I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here we can see our ghost is no longer inflated, and at the very bottom of my balloon here, we can see there's a little bit of liquid. And that liquid wasn't inside our balloon originally. To reinflate our friend, all we need to do is warm him up. That liquid turns back into a gas, taking up more space in our balloon, and our ghost friend is back to normal. The Science Center is proud to partner with the Shop and Save S.E.E.D program to provide in-person and virtual school assemblies for thousands of students throughout Western Pennsylvania, Ohio, and West Virginia, all at no cost to the school. Schools become eligible when customers register their Shop and Save Perks card online and designate their school, which will then start accumulating seeds to earn an educational assembly. Learn more about the S.E.E.D program by checking the video description or going to our website, carnegiesciencecenter.org/SOR, where you can also learn all about our amazing science assemblies for grades K through 8. Thanks for watching!